All right, boys and girls, welcome to Going Guitar. So you're here. Great, great. We have GIMS here with Ninao. So GIMS, he is an in-house favorite here actually, and one of my all-time favorite songs, GMT. We covered here on Going Guitar, many other songs as well. You can check out my playlist. And yeah, why not stop by with this song, Ninao, alright? So it follows GIMS kind of magic trick here with 3, maybe sometimes 4 chords that rolls in the same order as the entire song. And that is just miraculous how he does that. Nice, gives it a nice vibe. Anyway, let's go into it, and we're gonna use a capo. 3rd fret, that's the best scenario for us. Then we have E minor, A minor, and D. Easy chords. Let's start with E minor. So, open E, 2nd A, 2nd D, open G, open B, and open E. That's E minor. Next, I'm gonna move down to the A minor, and it goes open A, 2nd D, 2nd G, 1st B, and open E. We have finally the D chord. And that will be open D, 2nd G, 3rd B, and 2nd E. Alright, so there you have the chord progression. We need to learn the strumming, and we have 2 parts of it. So let's look into the first part. If you grab the first E minor chord, not one round, but the first part will be down, up, clap, down, like this. So 1 down, a short pause, and then up, clap, down. Then you have a short pause before you play part 2, and part 2 is simply to play down, clap, down. So if you connect these 2 parts, it will be down, up, clap, down, clap, down. Okay, and in tempo. So there you have it. Now we need to change some chords. So the chord progression will be to play 1 full round of E minor. That means both part 1 and part 2. Then you're gonna go to A minor and play part 1, the down, up, clap, down. And then you have a short little pause to switch to D and play part 2, down, clap, down. So that is how it goes. E minor, 1 full round, A minor part 1, D part 2, like this. Alright guys, so that's GIMS Ninao. Good luck and play tuned.